Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trade entry, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
So the very first thing we do is we look at the VIX, and we go to the VIX, and this is our playbook for the out of the money butterfly. Over here on the left says the classic out of the money fly with guide range. So depending on where the VIX is will determine how wide we go. So right now the VIX is way down here in what we call zombie land, all right, way down here. So we choose between 20 and 30 wide. Now I made mine 30 wide. All right, so this is how you choose your width based on where the VIX is. The next thing that you do is you go to something like this and you look at a moving average. So in the upper left-hand corner is just a very simple moving average. I'm using the Hull moving average in this case. And if the moving average is showing that we should have a directional bias of bullish, then you're going to do a call fly. So now you know two things. You're going to do a call fly, and you know it's going to be 20 to 30 wide. So you're almost there to what you're going to do when you take the trade and what it's going to look like.
Yep.
The next step is to look at the volume profile and the market structure. Now, when we do our volume profile, now this is a closed-in view. I'm going to look at this bigger picture right here. So we're doing our volume profile. Here it is on the right. I start marking up here, but the only thing that we have right now for volume profile is way up here where we are now because we're at all-time highs. When price was way down here, we were using these profiles.
Okay.
And what we do is we mark it up by tracing the edges of the profiles and the deep crevices, and we draw these lines from those levels. Those levels are going to be where support and resistance are. So if we were to zoom in on the very top part of this.
Oh, I see the line, the highs and the low. Yep.
So I'll just map them out, like maybe one here, one right here, and one right here. I think this morning I had this one right about here. Anyways, it came down to that level right there. So I'm going to zoom in on it. I'm going to show you. So here's my volume profile. And you can see here's one line that's on this deep crevice. It can be on the deep crevice or on the edge of a node. When we have very low volume like this, I prefer these deep crevices. They provide a little bit more support. And what you'll see is everywhere where I drew one of these lines, you'll see that the price tends to follow right along with it. So now I'm trading a call fly now. So what I'm waiting for is in the morning between 9:30 and 12:30. That's what these blue lines are. I'm waiting for a pullback to that line. And that's what this little arrow is saying. I'm waiting for a pullback, and then I'm going to put a call fly on. And in this case, I put one up here.
Okay. So you have got to wait until you pull back to the desired area, then you go for it.
Right. So when that happens, then I put the call fly on, and then I wait for price to move towards my fly. Now it's starting to move, by the way.
Yeah, I see some more clarity here. That's good. That's good.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.